Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your mobile app marketing with AppLovin step by step clearly. To upgrade your mobile app marketing with AppLovin, start by creating an AppLovin account. Visit the AppLovin website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill in the required fields with your details, including your email address and password. Once you've created your account, log in to the AppLovin dashboard. Next, integrate the AppLovin SDK into your mobile app. Download the appropriate SDK for your platform, either iOS or Android. Follow the integration instructions provided in the AppLovin documentation. Once the SDK is integrated, ensure that you can track. Next, set up your first campaign. In the dashboard, navigate to the Campaign section and click on Create Campaign. Define your campaign objectives, such as user acquisition or engagement. Choose your target audience based on factors like demographics and interests. Set your budget and bidding strategy. Select ad formats that resonate with your audience, such as video ads or interstitials. After configuring your campaign, review your settings to ensure accuracy. Click the Launch button to start your campaign. Monitor your campaign performance regularly through the dashboard. Utilize the analytics tools to track metrics like click-through rates and conversions. Adjust your targeting and budget based on performance insights. Experiment with different ad creatives and messages to optimize your results. Keep refining your campaigns to improve your overall app marketing strategy with AppLovin. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.